Alright, I got it tacked. Just kind of seeing how the doors are gonna be. I went ahead and chopped that top off there just so I could close the door and make sure everything's gonna be worked there. Looks like it's gonna be alright. Looking alright. Windshield's gonna go back in alright. It's looking pretty cool. It's definitely makes the steering wheel look huge. Pretty cool. That'll set, that kind of set the pace for me to now get my roof pieces off of the other car and start coming across here. And like I said, I'm gonna get all this, I'm gonna get this cut off of here. I think I'm gonna cut this down to like the pinch for now. I'm just gonna cut this off here, and then I'm gonna figure out how much of the Hudson, you know, how it's gonna be back here. You know, how much of this I need, or if I can tack it in here or whatever. We'll see. We'll see. Right. That's where I was talking about, where this comes in. You can see here. That's where I'll have to massage this pillar in a little bit. Come in here, give it a little slice, pull this pillar in, but it should, you know, once I get, I'm gonna do I took the wind wings out and I'm gonna put a full piece of glass in there. So that should be, I'm leaving this one in its stock position, and that should be fine. These, you know, these windows they're pretty forgiving, so that should be fine. No more than I had. I didn't have to move very much, so it should work all right. Pretty cool looking. Like I said, makes the steering wheel look huge. It's amazing what 5 inches will do. I'm glad I didn't go 6. That would have looked a little funny. Especially when I get the side windows in, then you'll really see how drastic it is. You know, I mean, that window's not gonna be very tall, man. It's gonna be about right there. You know. So, it'd be pretty cool. Like a big puzzle. Got a beautiful day, that's for sure. Can't beat it. All right. I'm gonna do a little more. Probably check back with you tomorrow. I'll be working on it again. Later.